That's the one problem with quartz: battery replacement. We've got the SEIKO G757. It's been over 3 years. No problem, doesn't owe me a thing, but I gotta get a battery. We're gonna get cleaned up and then we're gonna take the G757 on a road trip to the mall for a new battery. We've got the case back open and now we're gonna see how long it takes. TSO T-Race is gonna track it. 11 and a half minutes. I was actually pretty impressed. It was interesting to see how they took it apart and put it back together again, but the battery has been replaced with the, what is it, the Maxell SL? I'll take a look at it. Anyway, however, we have another issue. It looks like the SEIKO G757 has seen better days. I guess when you're looking at over 40 years old, but it looks as though the display is faded, so might have to get a new one. Have you had any issues with a digital watch shutting down or just, not working anymore after so long? Let me know, comment below. Looks like the SEIKO G757 is on its last legs. I actually saw the original Sport 100 model of this watch, which was the actual watch used by James Bond in Octopussy, I believe. It's on eBay for, wait for it, $8,300. I thought it was a misprint, but I had to look at it. I had to look twice. I'm gonna post it here for you so you can see. $8,300. Come on, man. Here it is. I found it. I'm actually doing a screenshot as we speak right now. $6,210 US. Converted to $8,500 Canadian for the vintage men's. It shouldn't even be men's because women can wear this too. Wow. SEIKO G757-5020. I mean, holy crap. The Sports 100. Yeah, this is the one, the actual one. Mine was a variation of that, more of a dress variation of this watch. Mine was the 4010, I believe it is. A watch's value is based on whatever anyone is willing to pay for it. I wonder what Amy would say if I made a lowball offer, like maybe, $7,500. Goes without saying, I guess, for anything. You know what? I think I'm gonna do it. You only live once. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. She would kill me. Life's about choices. But that is crazy. That's not the one I'm gonna be getting. Like, subscribe, smash the bell. I'm Ross, the Covert Crow. See you on the next one.